Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin with essentials. Confirm your iPhone model supports eSIM and that iOS is up to date. This prevents activation errors. Next, locate the carrier QR code or activation code and be on a stable Wi-Fi or cellular link. Once ready, open Settings, tap Cellular, then add Cellular Plan, scan the QR or enter code. Do this now, it starts the carrier handshake. Make sure you keep the old SIM active until the eSIM shows ready. Once the carrier details are entered, the phone negotiates profile download. Wait for the downloading message. If QR fails, choose Enter Details manually and input SMDP plus address and activation code. This resolves common carrier mismatches. After the profile installs, label the plan so you can identify it quickly, and then assign default voice and data behavior. These choices control which line dials, uses cellular data, and receives iMessage, so set them deliberately. Restart if status doesn't change to active. To finish, verify the new eSIM reads active in settings and place a test call, send a text, and use data to confirm full service. If anything fails, restart the iPhone. Once done, toggle airplane mode to force network re-registration. If problems persist, contact the carrier with the IXID or activation details shown in settings. They can refresh your profile server side. One key tip: keep the original SIM until the eSIM works, because it's the simplest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.